The 2025 Scania Interlink HD is a premium high-deck coach built for comfort, efficiency, and long-haul performance. Designed for intercity and international travel, this modern bus combines advanced aerodynamics, luxury interiors, and fuel-efficient technology to provide an exceptional passenger experience. Front side. The front of the Scania Interlink HD features a bold, aerodynamic design with a large windshield for maximum visibility. The sleek LED headlights provide excellent illumination, ensuring safety during night drives. The signature Scania grille enhances airflow and engine cooling while adding a premium touch to the bus's design. The lower bumper includes integrated fog lights and reinforced protection to handle long-distance routes with ease. Back side. At the rear, the bus is designed for both style and functionality. The LED taillights ensure high visibility, while the sculpted rear section improves aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. The rear engine compartment is designed for easy access, allowing quick maintenance. The Scania logo and branding give the bus a distinguished and modern look. The high-mounted exhaust system ensures minimal emissions, aligning with the latest environmental standards. Front interior. Stepping inside, the driver's area is built for maximum comfort and control. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument panel, providing real-time data on speed, fuel efficiency, and engine performance. A large touchscreen infotainment system offers navigation and communication features. The ergonomic seat with adjustable settings ensures reduced fatigue during long trips. The steering wheel mounted controls allow the driver to manage essential functions without distraction. Back interior. The passenger cabin is designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. The high-back reclining seats come with armrests and footrests, ensuring a luxurious travel experience. Overhead compartments provide ample space for personal belongings. Individual air vents, reading lights, and USB charging ports are available for each seat. The large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, while advanced soundproofing reduces outside noise for a peaceful journey. A modern climate control system ensures a comfortable temperature regardless of weather conditions. Powered by a 13-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine, the 2025 Scania Interlink HD delivers exceptional fuel efficiency with 470 horsepower and 2,500 Nm of torque. The automated transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, while advanced suspension technology enhances ride quality. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The starting price for the 2025 Scania Interlink HD is $350,000, with customization options increasing the cost. This bus sets a new benchmark for luxury and efficiency in long-distance travel. Stay tuned to MPV Auto for more updates.